In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up online booking in SimplePractice. By the end, your clients will be able to request appointments through your client portal, and you'll have full control over what gets approved and added to your calendar. First, a quick overview. The client portal is the secure place where your clients can interact with your practice online. Things like intake forms, billing, messaging depending on your plan, and, importantly for today, appointment requests. Turning on online appointment requests lets clients pick from your available times and send a request for you to approve. It doesn't automatically book them, you stay in the driver's seat. Let's get this set up. Start by opening SimplePractice and going to your settings. From there, select Scheduling. Within Scheduling, look for Client Portal Permissions. This is the area that controls what clients can do in the portal. Now, toggle the client portal to on if it isn't already. This single switch activates the portal so clients can access it. If it was already on, you're ahead of the game. You don't need to enter anything sensitive here. It's simply enabling the feature so your portal is live. Next, toggle online appointment requests to on. This specifically allows clients to request appointments through the portal. Think of the client portal toggle as turning on the house, and the online appointment requests toggle as opening the door for scheduling requests. Simple. Practice typically saves these settings automatically, so you shouldn't need to click a separate Save button. If you're ever unsure, just wait a moment and look for a confirmation or check that the toggles remain on when you navigate away and back. Once these are enabled, clients who access your portal will be able to request times based on the availability and services you've already set up in your account. You'll receive a notification to review each request, and you can approve, decline, or suggest alternatives. This is a great way to reduce back and forth while maintaining control of your schedule. A couple of tips to make this work smoothly. Be clear in your public-facing information about which services are bookable online and any lead time you prefer for new requests. Also, keep an eye on your notifications so you can respond promptly to requests and set expectations with clients about response times. That's it. By turning on the client portal and enabling online appointment requests in the client portal permissions under Scheduling, you've unlocked streamlined online booking while staying in control of your calendar.